Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 72 1500 big block. There's a gas gauge, speedometer working, running about 70. Might be a little bit fast, but oil pressure gauge all the way over. Temp gauge hasn't come up yet. Thing runs like a watch, and this is one cool truck. I'm not even touching the steering wheel, and it's staying right in the lane. So, air conditioned, power steering, power brakes, some cool custom paint. I got a white pearl with a copper. Originally was a copper and white truck, so but they just added some custom touches to it. Great driving, great running truck. And you won't find another one like it with the custom paint on it. So this show quality vehicle, you'll get a lot of compliments, especially when you open up the hood and they see that big block underneath there. So if you're looking for kind of an original truck but a little customization to it, it's got the custom wheels and the custom paint, and the rest of it's pretty much stock original. So any questions? 605-695-7391.